Wow, Kawngte. Oh, yes. Hello, Mizo people. Nowadays, peace from Africa. Your African boy Gabs Gabi. And recently, I just react to Taitea, guys. One amazing video, and you can go and check it out. Believe me, you will definitely love it because there I was singing like crazy. Yes, you know, I don't know Mizo language because I'm from Africa, but I really made it. I really sang. I sang it crazily because I was reading from the lyrics. Okay, so today we are reacting to who RSA. Say RSA all in the comment section. Let's say RSA J LALROSANGA. We are reacting to this amazing guy, one of the most talented and most loved musician out there in the Northeast Mizoram. The music title is Kawngte. Kawngte. You can tell me what does it mean, guys. So I choose to react today. This music video is from it was a competition of LPS, guys, and I choose the lyric of the music version so that I can sing for you. So I'm gonna be the African version of RSA. Okay, let's do this. Don't forget subscribe, guys. Kindly love you all whoever join it. I'm so happy. I appreciate your support. And if you are not yet part of the family, kindly do it now. Let's go. Let's hit the 100K together. Love you all. God bless you all. Let's go. Let's go.
Indona le chokse sa peto ni khata mangai na shui vuan song se
Singing so fast, Zalin.
Thấy có phá ra khăn trên tu lai ngày lai na thể phong phong nè
mau có
tan hiền đi thiên lai niềm tu
Kawngte lung
lê mây khoai lung mô
Kanu ni ite lo ma ran no le Mizoram. Why am I feeling like I'm listening to Michael Jackson? I feel like it's Michael Jackson. Okay. Itan loyo.
Đằng hiền đừng thu mình làm về mồ
Mình là nó phạm mồ
Tin nào hoàng cả lâu hù kê hú ngày lai na thịnh phong phong nê
áo trắng
cái tan hiền đi
tin lai nhẹ tu
áo công kê
lung hân lên mê mai
khoai lung mô
cả lung nê ite lo ba run
lê
dòng down
thiềm hằng cái ta
I'm trying. It's so hard to cut this lyric.
Ivan tổ ngại rồi
cho men
lung lẹ quỷ lẹ sang in nát nát nẹt từ mông đi cả mông mà sẽ nắng ngày cả phát xuống luôn.
Oh my gosh, these guys tried it.
Phong phong nghe cái ta đi thiên lai đêm tu ô con tê
Long ha lên
khoai lung mô
cả lung ni
ite
Hitelova, Hitelova, Ribno Lezo, Don't Katang Hiane, Katang Hiane, Hiane, Katang Hiane. Wow, Katang Hiane. Oh my God. I really try my best. I try my best. But you know, guys, this lyric is so difficult to cut because the way this guy is singing is so different, guys. So different and unique. And at first, I felt like I'm listening to Michael Jackson song. And his lyric compared to Taitea lyric was so easy to understand. For Taitea, it was easy to understand. You can go and watch my previous reaction to Taitea. It was so easy for me to understand and to catch the lyric. Because the way he's singing this song is totally different. How do you call this kind of song? Oh my gosh, this was so tough, little bit tough for me to catch. But I just love it. It's so unique. The way he sings and the way he sounds is so amazing, guys. So like this, I feel also good, like I'm singing, and it won't feel bored because when I listen to them straight up like that, I only feel the expression and the movement. But for now, I can feel everything, the vibe, the expression. Yeah, because I'm also singing. I felt like I'm the RSA for you guys. So anyway, thank you so much. That was so amazing. I love the sound, the beat. Yeah, only the lyric was just so fast. Ting, 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 ting. Oh, thank you so much. Till next time. Love from Africa.